And we've got our 89 Upper Deck box break. So 36 packs, we did 36 spots. Every spot gets a pack, and we'll get rolling. So BBCE certified sealed box. So Upper Deck changing the game in the sports card industry with this release, breaking their way into the market, high quality cards, and just happened to feature somebody named Ken Griffey Jr. So very cool stuff. So we'll get started. We use random.org for our randomization. We got let's see, we've got 5 participants. So Scott's got 4, Aaron's got 7, Jason's got 6, Dustin's got 5, and Greg's got 14. Right, so we'll randomize this list 3 times. That'll be the order of the packs. So we'll go back left column, back right column, front left, front right, 1 to 9, top to bottom. So, right, we'll randomize this 3 times. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Right, so we've got Greg, 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 Scott, Aaron, Aaron, Scott, Greg, Jason, Greg, Dustin, Aaron, Greg, Aaron, Greg, Greg, Aaron, Dustin, Greg, Greg, Jason, Aaron, Dustin, Scott, Dustin, Greg, Dustin, Greg, Jason, Jason, Aaron, Jason, Jason, Greg, Greg, Scott. All right, so that's the order we'll be in. Let me switch views real quick. We'll get those up on the screen for us. Oops, let's see. All right. All right, and then there we go. Okay, so we will get rolling here. So best of luck, everybody. Okay, so here's our box. So again, we'll start with this top left column. Okay, so spot number 1, it's Greg. Got Cal. Chili Davis. Willie Frazier. And the Angels and the Astros on the stickers there. Okay. Also, feel free to interact in the chat if you like. It's coming through on YouTube and Facebook. Spot number 2, Greg again. Arrow. Stickers are a little stuck on that one. Keith Hernandez. Okay. Pack number 3. Dale Murphy. Moyer. There you go. That was pack 3. Pack 4 is up next. So this is Scott's first pack. Right. Tommy John. Al Leiter. Gedman. Checklist. Just thinking the other day, be nice if Upper Deck could make baseball cards with logos again, right? I'm a little tired of all the exclusive licenses. Right. Spot 5. This is Aaron's first pack. Jay Buhner, wrong Mariner. Buhner could hit a few home runs in his own right. Right, pack 5 down. Pack 6 coming up. And Aaron again. Okay. Bo Jackson. I'm a sucker for my Auburn guys. You'll know that. Let's see, looks like we got 10 of you viewing live. Feel free to interact in the chat. Give us something to talk about. That was spot 6. Okay, spot 7. This is Scott again. Always like that Gerald Young card. Like there are other Gerald Young cards that I care about, but like that image. Dave Parker. Right, pack 7 in the books. Got pack 8 coming up. This is Greg Smith. Right, Palmeiro, double Palmeiros. That's weird. Guess just can't get enough of that mullet. Joel Youngblood. My favorite professor in college, last name was Youngblood. Right. And last card of the first column, or last box of the first column, spot number 9. This is Jason's first pack. Blevin. We got out of focus there, didn't we? Moyer. Nothing terribly exciting in column 1. Right. On to column 2. So next we got spot 10. It's a Greg again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. All right. So Greg's up next. Spot 10. If you're just joining us, got 9 packs in. No Griffey yet. Yount. Another wrong Mariner. Okay, spot 10 in the books. Spot 11, got Dustin Dustin's first spot. Yeah, let's see. Packs were $6.50 each on this one. I think that's right. Now I'm questioning myself in my memory. But yeah, no worries on the questions. Oh, it doesn't show on the website after they're sold out. That's funny. But yeah, I think they were $6.50 each. Right. I can tell you for sure in a minute. Right. So we're in Dustin's pack here. me, see, so that was spot 11. Got spot 12 for Aaron coming up. Here, let me adjust something real quick, see if I can improve this quality just a touch. All right, sorry about that. Let's see, spot number 12 is Aaron Duff. Joe Carter. Let's see, spot 13's up next, Greg Smith. Hey Matt, I'm not sure I follow you. What do you mean? Top 8 packs. Let's see, this is spot 13, so this is Greg. Trammell. Eric Davis. Randy Johnson. Last box we busted. We got a handful of Griffies and we didn't get a single Randy Johnson. So. Okay. All right, let's see. All right. But pretty decent centering on the Randy. Nice clean card. All right. And the rest of 13 goes here. Here, let me hardwire in. Seems like my Wi-Fi is being a little funky, so. we'll see if that helps with our audio and our video quality there. So next up, pack 14, Aaron Duff. Right. Checklist. Lynn Dykstra. Fernando Valenzuela. All right, pack 15. Greg Smith again. Let's see. Bliven again. Molitor. Tartable. Pack 16, also Greg. Joe Carter. Cecil Fielder. Tony Pena. Right. 17. This is Aaron Duff. Trammell. Got Randy Johnson again. Nice and centered up. So there you go, Aaron. All right. And last, but certainly not least in the column, spot 18. Oops, I didn't put spot 17 up, did I? All right. was 18. Okay, so next column. Spot 19 is Greg. All right, so here we go. Got Flanagan. I got a little peek of a side of a card right up here. So, got another Randy. So, there you go. That was spot 19. Again, pretty solid centering. Nice mustache. There we go. All right. Okay, 20. This is Greg again. Let's see here. Tony Gwynn. Let's see. Yeah, Randy Johnson. If it hits a 10, it's 50 to $60 card, I think. Clemens. I think nines and Randy go for 10, $12. Quintana. All right, so that was spot number 20. All right, 21. This is Jason Shepard's. Cal. Fernando. Dawson. Show rookie checklist. Alright, so 22's up next, Aaron Duff. There's Eck. Okay, cool. Like seeing what people collect. So let's see, we got spot 23, Dustin Norton. Mosby. Jimmy Key. All right, so that's 23. 24. Let's see, that's Scott Barr. Ooh, there he is. Ken Griffey Jr. Nice hit for you, Scott. Let's see. Just a little fleck of dust there. Really nice card. Great hit on the junior. Card number 1. Upper Deck picked a real winner to lead the set off with. Solid, solid hit. All right. Spot. Oops, let me finish looking through that pack. 424. Gibson. Okay. Pack 25. Dustin Norton. Don Mattingly. Dave Parker. Valenzuela. All right, pack 25 there. 26, Greg Smith. Off center on the stand there. Craig Biggio. All right. 27, Dustin Norton, last pack in column 3. Cal, Daryl, and the Ryan Express. Right. So 3 columns in. We got 9 packs left. We found 3 Randy rookies and 1 Ken Griffey Jr. All right. So pack 28. This is Greg again. All right. There we go. Schmidt. It's the first Schmidt we've seen today. Good old Greg Jeffries. He's the one to invest in for the future. He's going to make the Hall of Fame eventually, right? Nothing but potential. There's Kirk Gibson. Love that card. Barry Larkin. All right. That was spot 28. 29. Jason Shepard. Like most of Jason's spots ended up here at the end. Oh, nice. Another Griffey. Okay. But another pretty nice card. Solid centering. Don't see any surface issues. Little bit of edge wear there, but gorgeous card. So congratulations, Jason. We're getting hot now. 2 Griffies in the last 5 packs. Spot 30. Jason again. Joel Carter. All right, then spot 31 is up next. Aaron Duff. All right, there's Gerald again. Ozzy. Tom Glavine. There we go. It's 32. Got Jason again. All right, down to the last few packs. 33, so got Jason. This is Jason's last pack. Craig Biggio again. Gary Carter. Ozzy again. Sandberg. Right. Pack 34, Greg Smith. Okay. So that's 34 down. 2 more to go. Don't forget to check out other breaks we've got up for sale. We've got a couple of set breaks. We've got a 80 Topps basketball pack break, so every spot gets a card on that one. All right, this is 35, so this is Greg's last spot. Eddie Murray. Sabo. Timmy Jones. Right, then we've got Scott Barr, last pack in the box. Chris Carpenter, Gibson, Hershiser. All right. So that'll do it for our 89 Upper Deck box break. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for buying in. Thanks to Travis and Matthew for interacting in the chat. Appreciate y'all. Do a quick recap of the big hits. So we started out with, we had to wait till pack 13 for our first Randy Johnson rookie. We followed that up with one in pack 17. And then in pack 19, we had another Randy. So we had 3 Randys. And then pack 24 had a Griffey, as did pack 29. So pretty sweet cards. Not a bad box, especially with the centering on those Griffies. And that'll do it. So I will post a recording of this so those who couldn't watch live can watch the recording. And you'll have a great rest of your Thursday night. And make sure you check out that 55 Bowman break. We'll have a 68 top set break going up for sale tomorrow. So if you buy into that Bowman break for tomorrow afternoon, you can get free spots in that 68 tops break. So make sure you check that out. For every 3 spots you get in the Bowman, you get 1 spot in the 68 tops. But that's it for tonight. Have a great rest of your Thursday. This is Burl signing off.